Welcome back again, guys. So the next thing we're moving on to for this video is we're going to break into this 56-inch Work Center Hutch, get it unboxed, have a look at it, get it situated on top of my toolbox here, and then I'm gonna probably take one of them lights and try to put up inside of it and see how she looks. So that's going to be the next step in piecing together my work center and everything for the new shop. So let's go on ahead, get y'all set to the side or whatever to watch me pull this out and assemble it if it needs some assembling. And as always, guys, like, subscribe down below to keep following the content on the new shop. All right, guys, let's get at it. Okay, so I got it all together and sitting on top of the box now. The other thing I want to do is I want to add a light in there because it doesn't come with one. So basically what I'm going to use is one of these same ceiling lights I have here that I put in the ceiling. And I got some double-sided sticky tape to stick it up into the top. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the light in, get it situated where I want it, and put it together. Okay, guys, so that's going to be pretty much the box here. I got the light up in there, and it's got a little toggle switch right here on the back corner, so I can flip it on and off if I want to. The box comes with a screwdriver holder, as well as the holder for your lights and aerosol cans, and also, let's see here, you can probably fit a box of gloves in there too. So you can get like 4 or 5 aerosol cans in there, or 2 or 3 aerosol cans in a box of gloves that'll fit in that, so that you have quick access to it. On all 4 corners it has these holes where you can run all your wires through. So like my sound bar has the wire run through there, and then I have my little indoor outdoor temp, so like 61 in here, 46 outside right now. Also sound bar, I have a remote for it, but I'm actually controlling it through Bluetooth with my phone, so I can turn the volume up and down. Also, I have a full swivel TV mount and everything, because I plan to put a TV in here that I can hook the sound bar to as well. So that way, people want to come over, have beer and stuff like that, we'll have TV. But yeah, guys, so this pretty much is going to be the assembly with the Hutch and everything all together. So now I can set my laptop up in here when I'm tuning and stuff like that, and give me just like a little clean workspace for stuff like that. And then like I said, I might get a second box that I can just use as a worktop, or I might just get me an actual workbench to put in here. But again, guys, that's going to be it for this one on the Hutch. Got it installed. I think it looks great. And again, as always, if you like the content, you want to see more content like this, and see more stuff as I add it to the shop, hit the like, subscribe, and keep following along. I'll see you guys in the next video.